All right, welcome to Discipleship Counseling Course, Master Builders class. Today, we are going to be studying the second lesson. In fact, it's lesson 2B and 3 together. Lesson 2B and 3 together. We have already covered lesson 1 and 2A. Before we go on with today's lesson, let's have a recap of our previous lesson. In lesson 1 and 2A, which was on Introduction to Biblical Counseling. Introduction to Biblical Counseling. We answered a number of questions. First, we answered the question, what is counseling? And we were able to give some dictionary definitions. We gave some definitions from other sources, including the American Cancer Society, as well as the American Counseling Association. For our purpose, we say that counseling is a form of guidance in which a trained or knowledgeable person offers advice or education about specific problems or issues of living. Let me take it again. We say that counseling is a form of guidance in which a trained or knowledgeable person offers advice or education about specific life problems or issues of living. That was our answer to the question, what is counseling? We went on to answer a second question, which says, what are the various types of counseling? We gave 4 of them. Number 1, the Rogerian method of counseling by Carl Rogers. The Rogerian method of counseling by Carl Rogers. Secondly, the Freudian method by Sigmund Freud. Number 3, the Skinnerian method by B.F. Skinner. And number 4, the biblical method, which was popularized by Jesus Christ and the apostles. And we say that this is the method that we will be pursuing in this course. Thirdly, we answered the question, what is biblical counseling? What is biblical counseling? In answering this question, we said that biblical counseling is to be distinguished from other forms of counseling in several ways. We also noted that biblical counseling has been compromised in many ways. One of the ways that biblical counseling has been compromised, we say that biblical counseling has been compromised by the teaching of humanistic psychology. The teaching of humanistic psychology that is taught in many institutions of learning, including Bible colleges and seminaries. We went ahead to answer the 4th question. What are the main reasons why people seek counseling? Counseling is sought in many different areas of life and living. 1, there is career counseling. 2, there is relationship counseling. 3, there is marriage counseling. 4, there is family counseling. 5, financial counseling. 6, grief counseling. 7, behavioral counseling. Here we refer to counseling that has to do with addiction, anger, worry, and fear. Then number 8, crisis counseling. And there are others. We also examined a number of reasons for which counseling may be needed. And we ended by answering the question, where is the ministry of counseling found in the Bible? We noted that the words counsel or counseling are found both in the Old Testament and in the New Testament. We concluded by saying that words such as correct, judge, reprove, rebuke, and admonish, which is found in the Bible. These words enter into the counseling process. They enter into the counseling process. That was what we were able to cover in lessons 1 and 2b. Today we are going to be taking lesson 2b and 3. Lesson 2b and 3, and the topic is the word and the spirit in counseling. The word and the spirit in counseling.